Every word in Scripture carries a weight. The Bible has traveled many nations and centuries, across languages, and through the hands of those who dedicated their breath to preserving it. Here at Amatus Music, you have heard us dive deep into the mysteries of the Word. But behind the translation we use lies a story born not in a corporate boardroom or by a committee, but at a quiet kitchen table, fueled by a lifetime of devotion. This is the legacy of Hershall Wesley, Wes Spradley II. Born in Fort Worth, Texas, Wes was a man captured by the beauty of language and the depth of God's grace. He earned his degree in English literature, although his soul hungered for something eternal. In 1972, he graduated from Dallas Theological Seminary, immersing himself in the ancient world of biblical Greek and Hebrew. For decades, Wes lived the Word. He pastored in Austin, Texas, where his voice consistently pointed people to a personal relationship with Christ. Later, as a professor, he became a compassionate mentor to countless students. But his love for the gospel knew no borders. For years, alongside his beloved wife, Donnie, Wes answered a call that took him across the globe to South Africa. Year after year, at the Union Bible Institute, he poured his deep knowledge of the Greek language into the hearts of local students, unveiling the profound mysteries of the Gospel of John. Even after his wife was called home to heaven, and as his own health began to fade, his heart remained tethered to the classroom and to the people he loved so dearly. In his final years, Wes's devotion took a quiet, monumental form. Sitting at his kitchen table, surrounded by the ancient texts, he painstakingly translated the Scriptures directly from the original Hebrew and Greek, word by word, verse by verse. Before he took his final, peaceful breath on August 23, 2025, at the age of 79, Wes accomplished an extraordinary feat. He had translated all of the New Testament and all but 10 books of the Old Testament. He wasn't just translating words, he was leaving a legacy of faith. And it is that very translation, the Spradley Translation, that now guides every single Bible study on this channel. When you listen to our videos, you are hearing the fruit of a man who fought the good fight, finished the race, and kept the faith. We honor Wes Spradley, not just for the scholar he was, but for the servant he chose to be. As his favorite verse, Psalm 16:11, reminds us, "You will show me the path of life. In your presence is fullness of joy." Welcome to Amatus Music. Let us journey down that path together.